Is this what it feels like to drive a sports car? Series 2 Lotus Elise. This thing looks phenomenal. 195 tyres up front, 225s rear. It's got a little 1.8 with about 160 horsepower. One of the things I absolutely love, look at this, just down here. You see this surround for the exhausts. This is something that people like McLaren, Ferrari and everyone are doing. Lotus was doing this in 2002. Honestly, this thing's absolutely phenomenal. I'm going to give you a little look at the inside as well. I'm pretty sure that's how you open the door. It is. Look at that for a cockpit. It is ridiculous. Follow Phil's Instagram, YouTube and everything else. This guy is an absolute legend. Let's get out on the road and see what this thing is like. Let me see if I can get in this thing. Oh, oh God. I'm in. It's very snug in here. It's very small. You're basically on the floor. That is a phenomenal feeling manual gearbox. Oh, it's not slow. It's actually not slow. Oh God.
I would say there's gonna be a little bit of strain down there.
Sure.
Try taking it to the red line.
Sure.
Because this is where the engine really comes along.
Sure.
Downshift it to second and take it to the red line. Yeah. This is where it comes alive.
The owner said to do that. I didn't choose to do that, okay? The steering rack is actually really quick too. You don't have to turn it much. Oh. Honest, like I'm lifting at like 50 miles an hour. It's just, I'm going nowhere near what this car can do. But it's just an experience. Fantastic. Honestly, oh my God. I would never sell this if I were you. This is the best thing I've ever driven. I'm really scared to money shift it. This is what a car is all about. It's not practical. You could never drive this every day. But, but on the right road at the right time. Oh my God, what a machine. What an experience. The amount of communication from this steering, absolutely crazy. Never felt anything like it. But it's like a benchmark now in my mind of how good can steering be. And the sun's come out for me.
That is weird now.
And you know, you can tell that it has like twice the grip that I'm actually using. The limits are so much higher than what I'm achieving here. But it's not my car and it feels very strange. I'm not going to push any harder than this. Oh. I'm not even going fast. It just feels amazing. So I'm really scared to drive it quickly because I don't trust the brakes. Look at this corner. Oh, the feel! Oh my God, the way it weights up. The faster you drive it, the better it gets. It's ridiculous. Like, the steering tells you so much. No other car has ever done that. Wow. Wow. Okay, yeah, I'm really scared of the brakes, I'll be honest.
They are not confidence aspiring at first.
You probably get used to them and then you know like how hard you have to push them. The throttle is so stiff. It's hard to press the throttle.
Yeah.
I've never had that in another car I've driven. Listen to the noise. Oh my God. Honestly. I'm driving around at 20 miles an hour and having the best time of my life. Oh. Oh. And there's some econo box coming up behind me and it's going faster than me, but I don't even care. My God above, this drives well. I can't imagine what it feels like when you're actually driving it in anger.
Yeah, on the truck, it's something special.
Yeah, it really talks to you, it communicates. The brakes you've got to absolutely smash to get them to do anything. I still haven't pressed them hard enough for them to work, I don't think. The steering is so delicate. Oh, this is just... I've just been in third gear the whole time. I'm getting nowhere near the full experience, but it's just phenomenally enjoyable. Oh.
And the scenery.
Of course, the road, you've got to give props. Oh. Yeah, the brakes do work. Do you know what? You kind of get used to it. Right, that's as much as I'm going to push. I don't even want to go faster than that. When you go through a puddle, you hear it right there. Because the wheel's right there. You look at the bulges. I see what people mean about the steering now. It is the gold standard. There is not a lot of things that weigh up like this, that feel like this.
22 years old.
Yep. And it sounds phenomenal. You hear the intake right behind here from those scoops. Oh. It makes all the noises. Even at low speeds like this, the steering talks to you. Is that noise okay?
Yes.
Oh, there's so many noises.
If it doesn't make any noise, then you know something's wrong.
I have no more words to say. I'm just happy. I didn't think I would like it as much as I do.
It is Lotus magic in here.
Yeah. It doesn't feel like a normal car. You know? It's a different thing. You know? You have cars, and then you have whatever the fuck this is. Sports cars, I guess. It's a different category of thing, you know? It's not a car. A car is a different thing. This is a sports car.
It's a shame more people don't know about this kind of thing. Because I think if you get a normal person that's not interested in driving,
yeah,
and you get in here, and everybody is like, wow, I want more, and you suddenly become interested.
Sorry, I almost feel like I'm having a moment here, because like, I don't know.
Should I leave you alone?
No, but I'm like I'm this Slovakian kid. My family had nothing, and I'm here driving a fucking Lotus Elise for YouTube. Like, what is my life, you know? It's fucking crazy.
Doesn't get much better than that.
Thank you for this.
You're welcome, mate.
I'm done, dude.
That's how it begins.
Fucking
That's how it begins.
done.
See you on Auto Trader.
That is not a car. Thank you for watching, guys. I'm having a moment. Maybe subscribe or hit the like button. You know the things. Thank you, Phil. You guys ever tried to get out of a Series 2 Elise? Look at where the sill is. The sill is way higher than my seat. Don't know how to... Okay, one sec. It's something like... Yeah. Oh. Okay, no, now I'm stuck. Wait. No. That's not it. How do you... God.
And you're out.
Thanks for watching. What the fuck is that?